In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Hide My Email feature with an iCloud Plus account on iOS 15 or later. This is a great tool for enhancing your privacy and managing your email interactions seamlessly. By creating random, unique email addresses, you can keep your personal email private while still being reachable. Now let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to get started by navigating to iCloud settings on your device. Open your settings app and right at the top you'll see your name. Tap on it to access your Apple ID settings. Within this menu, you'll find the iCloud option. Tap on it and get ready to explore the power of Hide My Email. Next, within the iCloud settings, look for the Hide My Email option and tap on it. This feature is part of Apple's privacy tools designed to keep your personal information secure when filling out forms or signing up for new services online. After selecting Hide My Email, the next step is to tap on Create New Address. When you do this, iOS automatically generates a random private email address just for you. This address is unique and acts as a shield, allowing you to keep your real email address hidden. Once your random email is generated, you'll see an option to label it. Adding a label is essential, especially if you plan to use multiple addresses. Think about where this email will be used. Is it for online shopping, newsletter signups, or maybe a special project? Labeling it helps you remember its purpose at a glance. To make it even easier to keep track, you can add a note in conjunction with your label. A note gives additional context about where or how you plan to use this email. It's a simple yet powerful way to stay organized, deterring any confusion down the line. Once you're satisfied with your label and notes, simply tap Next, followed by tapping Done. And there you have it, your new email address is set up and ready for action. Now that everything is configured, any messages sent to this unique email address will be automatically forwarded to your main iCloud email. It creates a seamless experience, allowing you to receive communications without revealing your primary email address. Finally, when you find yourself signing up for a website or app and you're prompted to autofill your email, take advantage of the Hide My Email feature. Tap on it and use one of your custom generated emails. This simple step ensures that your personal information remains private and under your control. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you're now equipped with a stealthy way to manage your inbox and protect your personal information on the web. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to explore other features of iCloud Plus that can further secure your digital life.